Sometimes we consume information and don't take no action. So I'm hoping that you can pause this video real quick, grab a piece of pen and paper, and you're gonna write down exactly what I told you, as well as implemented it so you can get maximum results. Give me 5 minutes so I can share with you the simple process on making your YouTube videos so that you don't have to be doing too much, and as a result, you're wasting so many time on trying to make the best video and getting no views. Am I right about that? I have encountered that when I just started, so I'm not wasting any more time, and today I'm going to share with you the simple way. So first thing is, you want to brainstorm your ideas. A lot of time we just grab the camera and start talking crap, and YouTube right away, they will know when you start talking crap, because if you're sharing information that can help someone's situation, then they're going to skip your video, stop it, and move on to the next video. You want to start brainstorming. And what this means, your thumbnails. What thumbnails will you use? Don't wait until you create the video and then you decided that you want to create a thumbnail. Think about the thumbnails first, because remember, this is like a book. It's like a book cover, right? If you see a book and it doesn't spark your interest, are you going to pick it up? No. So you want to make sure that you are processing, brainstorming your thumbnail so you know what exactly it's going to look like, how you're going to design it. So now you can convey to your audience, right? So 3 key points. That's all you want to do. It's simple. A lot of people overcomplicated making videos. The process is just 3 points, 3 keywords. Talk about 3 things. So let's say, prime example, I'm talking to you about the process on making videos. I'm sharing with you 3 points. That 3 points, number 1, I said brainstorming. You're gonna follow the exact principle and the same steps. Pick out 3 things that you wanna talk about. The next thing is, think about the outcome. What is the reason for you to create this video? What message do you want them to get out of it? Because at the end of the day, you want to deliver a message to get them to take action, right? It's either you want them to think differently, you want them to take action, or you want them to like, click, subscribe, share your videos. You always need a call to action for your videos. The 3 key points, the 3 main things that you're going to talk about, and you have to make sure you have a call to action. So that's number 1 within my 3 points, and I want you to get it, because a lot of time we overcomplicate it. Second thing is writing down those 3 key points. It's nothing like writing something, and when you visualize it, you know exactly what you're going to say, as opposed to you just taking up a camera or take up your phone and you start to talk, and before you know, you're rambling, and just to say one thing and one point you want the audience to know, you're saying all these other things and you're wasting time. And guess what? The main key point or the secret that you want to share dragged out, and then you miss that audience. So make sure you write down your 3 key points and keep it simple, because you want to deliver and not ramble. Does that make sense? So I'm going to share with you the 3rd key points that I want to share with you, and you can see that I'm using it as an example so you too can do the same. So you want to set your intention, and when I say set your intention, you want to be bold. Don't use emotions. Your first video, you may not get views, but don't operate on emotions. And guess what? As a result, because you don't see any views, you don't see anyone liking your video, you're going to quit YouTube or quit making videos. That's what I'm saying. You have to set your intention. And this is the process. This is the simple process of making your videos. It's simple. You have to brainstorm, because if you don't brainstorm and you just pull out your phone and start talking crap and rambling all of the video, and you don't even have a clear message, you don't even have a call to action, then no one is going to watch the duration of your videos. Yes, you may gain 1 view, but what about the retention? Will YouTube recommend your video? No, because you're not giving value. It's not about you, it's about your audience, is what they want. You want to share information to change people's or viewer situation. Does that make sense? So just like I'm connecting with you right here, right now, I'm looking you directly in the eye. The simple process of making your videos, brainstorming. It's important for you to brainstorm. You got to set your intention. You got to write things down so you can visualize, you can see it, so you know exactly what you're going to say. And you also want to make sure your thumbnail, that is the very first thing, set your intention, be bold. No matter what anyone have to say, if someone criticizes your video, don't be quick to operate on emotions and stop creating videos. Forget about them, ignore them, just keep creating. The 5 minutes I gave you, I hope you take this information to change your situation. What are your thoughts on this video? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Until then, we'll see you around. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.